This can destroy your business, so be prepared. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Bertus de Wet and I'm a refocus coach. I help business owners to refocus their business and life. I've started this channel to help people in business to grow and scale their businesses, and also give a couple of tips and make people aware of a couple of things that they might not be aware of. But before we get into that, I just want to remind you that you could win $250 right here on my channel. And the first thing that you need to do is to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. I will share with you the other three things at the end of this video. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to share with you is the VAT. Now, in April 2018, the VAT went from 14% to 15%. Now, what people don't realize is there was a big hype about, but it was only a 1% increase. But what they didn't understand is that 1% was actually a 7.5% increase. So basically, what was happening is if people were living on the breadline, on let's call it a 10,000 Rand a month salary, and in March they were barely just surviving and there's no extra money available, from 1 month to the next month, they were out of pocket by 7.5%. Now on 10,000 Rand, that's around 750 Rand a month for someone with a 10,000 Rand a month salary. To keep that in mind, okay? So that's the first thing I want to make you aware of. The second thing I want to make you aware of is what was the impact on COVID for a lot of businesses. Now, I want to share with you just a simple concept that I think is really powerful for people to realize. Just imagine for a second, you were doing 100,000 Rand in turnover per month. From that 100,000 turnover, you were doing about 10,000 Rand a month in profit. Now, for a lot of businesses, when the lockdown hit, they couldn't earn any income. So from 1 month to the next, a lot of businesses went from 100,000 Rand a month to zero. Now, here's the impact of that 1 month. Let's just assume for now that in the next month, let's say April was lockdown, so from May onwards, you could go back to business and earn 100,000 Rand a month and get back to 10,000 Rand a month profit. Now, as we know, that is kind of impossible for most businesses at that point in time. But let's say it was. Just to show you the impact of that 1 month, just to get back your 1 month earnings, just to make this 100,000 Rand back in 1 month, it means that you're going to be using your profits, and you're going to use 10 months of your profits to just get 1 month turnover back. So it will take you 10 months to recover 1 month turnover because there was no income. I just want to make you aware of that. Now, this video is not to make you depressed or anything. I want to make you aware of these things so that you can prepare for this stuff, okay? The next thing I want to share with you is the fuel price. The fuel price in 2021 to 2022, it started at around 16 Rand 32 cents a year ago. Now, currently for March 2022, we're expecting the fuel price to go to 21 Rand 39 cents. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a significant increase in fuel price from where it is now to this price because of the war and things that's happening in Russia and Ukraine. But to give you an idea on what happened over the last year without the war, there was already a 31% increase in just the fuel price. Now, I want you to think about this for a second. If the fuel price is doing this, do you really think the retailers or any other big corporate companies will take that knock on them? Or do you think they will pass it on to everyone else? So it means that you need to drive to your destination. It's going to cost you more money. When you go to big retailers and you go buy food and clothes and all the basic necessities, those things will also have an impact, because the companies need to get the food and the clothes to the retail stores. So it means all of those things will have an impact and it will increase. I'm not saying it will increase by 31%, but there will be a significant increase, okay? So it's to make you aware of these things, because most people forget the impact of one item that will have an impact on your lifestyle, okay? So keep that in mind. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is our special friend Eskom. Now we all know Eskom, we all live in South Africa, we know the impact of load shedding and all of those things that's happening. But I want to make you aware of something that I think a lot of business owners are not really aware of. So since 2007 to 2021, Eskom has increased their pricing by 520%. Now I want to ask you, if you are running a business, did you also increase your pricing with so much over the last couple of years? If not, then that's probably why your cash flow is struggling. It's probably why you're not earning and making enough money, because you forget about this. And it looks like they're also asking for another 20.5% right now. So I want to make you aware of this so you can start planning for this, because these things has a significant impact on your business. If you're running computers or machinery, it means that your margins will have a massive impact because of these huge increases that's coming our way. Okay. The next thing I want to make you aware of is the company tax. Now we all know about SONA and the budget speech and all those things. So here's what government has done to kind of help us. And yeah, I'm not sure if this is really helpful, but let me show you why I say this. So we went from a 28% tax bracket to a 27% tax bracket. That's what the relief is going to be for businesses. So they're saying they're helping business owners. Now keep in mind, if you are running a business and you don't have a profit, then this doesn't affect you almost at all, okay? But if you are running a business, and let's say you are in a privileged position to make a profit at this point in time, and you're making 100,000 Rand profit in a year, this relief from 28% to 27% will literally give you 1,000 Rand. Because on 28% on 1,000 Rand or 100,000 Rand profit, that's 28,000 Rand that you need to pay to SARS. On the new 27%, that's basically 27,000 Rand that you need to pay to SARS. Now, that's a difference of literally 1,000 Rand. Now, if you look at the fuel increase, if you look at the Eskom's increase, if you look at, all the increases that's been happening over the last few years and, corruption and everything that's happening, I'm not sure if 1,000 Rand on 100,000 Rand is actually helping. Because if I just look at the fuel levies on its own, we should be paying at least half of that fuel price per litre because of all the extra levies the government is putting onto the fuel levies and fuel price. Something to think about. Okay, but I thought this is going to be an interesting thing for you to have a look at, and here's just the 4 things that I've covered today. It is about the VAT that increased to 7.5%. COVID had an impact on your business. I don't know what that impact is. If you want me to help you with your business, let me know. You can complete the application form below, and we can sit down and we can have a look at your business, how we can run it better, how we can save some money, how we can increase your sales, because ultimately that's how you will grow your business, is to increase your sales. The Eskom thing that's also coming, and also the fuel price that is coming. So I thought I want to share this with you, and I want to share with you these things so that you are aware of them, to start thinking differently about your business. And maybe just a last thought on this. Lots of people in this country only getting a 3% increase in salary. But if you look at the impact of all of these things over the last 5-6 years, is a 3% salary increase enough? Now, if you're running a business and you're paying that to your staff, maybe think about what you're doing. And if you're a staff member that is watching this video, I want to encourage you to stop asking for a salary and rather start asking to get paid on results, because then you can take full control of your income and you can then be worth more for the business. Therefore, the business will do more and better so that you can earn more and better, not just a 3% increase. Just something to think about. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you are thinking about increasing your prices if you haven't done so in the last year or 2 or 5 or whatever. But have a think about your pricing, and if you want my help, you're more than welcome to click the link below this video and apply for my 10K application, where I will spend 45 minutes with you totally free of charge, and I will actually see if I can help you find an extra 10,000 Rand in your business to help you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I said there was 4 things that you need to do to qualify for the $250. The first thing, you've already done that. You subscribe to my channel and you've turned on notifications. The second thing that I want you to do is to please like this video. And the third thing I would like for you to do is to please share this video to one of your social media platforms and with someone that you think might find this video interesting or valuable. And then the fourth thing I would like for you to do is to please comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think of this video. Tell me if it was good or bad. Tell me if if you think I'm an idiot, that's also fine. But yeah, just put a comment down and maybe let me know what you want to learn about next, or what do you find challenging in your business, so I can see if I can make a video for you. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing you on the next video.